Hello, fellow scratchers. Welcome to my channel PassionCoderz, and I am Sion. So this is the part 2 of our classic platformer series in which we are aiming to make something pretty special. Yeah, just look at this. I love it. So, and we are sure to make a strong start with our last episode building out some basic movement in the clever reverse collision detection system. Yeah, if you have not seen that episode 1 of the tutorial, please see. For that only I have set that video in the I button and in the description. So today we are going to start fleshing out our level, adding multiple scenes to visit, addressing some common bugs that we scratch our face when things does not quite line up as required. Just so you know, there is no need for you to make your labels just same as mine. You are free to design them anyway you like if you like, and this will won't stop you to following this tutorial. The same is true with the variable at the top of the scripts. So we begin. Why not we save our project as a copy? Oh, and begin episode 2. Yeah, not history 2. Okay, so no, why this wise? Okay, now okay, and we will begin episode 2. Okay guys, let's get scratching. So we began this label as a backdrop costume. That is the good, cool way to get fast result and make us easier scripting. But it also has a limitation also. Say, if we want, oh, okay, first let's fix this label designing somehow because it's make this just a little bit because it okay. This fix, yeah, it's like okay. Okay, for example, make each step a different color. Okay, like that you can give the colors as mine. Now you can see not any steps are counted as part of our label and the player can walk through it and jump through them. Only the floor and the floating platform is now counted as a solid area. Hmm. That to be walked on. Click. So for fixing that, click on your player sprite and also in the code and find your moving steps custom block. Oh, okay. For making sure that if your project is lagging, make sure this custom block must be run without screen repair, not run with screen repairs. Okay. So here we are checking the collision just with the color light red. Yeah. For the problem is touching color block is that it will not detect collision with the preset color that is chosen. So if we wanted the player also collide with another color, in our label, we need to go ahead and combine the sensing block with an OR operator. Okay. Oh, so make this touching our light red in the left side and touching this second first step color and okay. Oh, and also duplicate for the vertical collision too. Okay, let's give it a test. Yeah, see now these steps are counted as part. Okay, that is a good. That's good. But see, this tape color is also not doing a same. Yeah, and this will slow our project. So now you can understand why it will become a headache like us. Okay, but I have an idea. We can switch the background costume to a sprite. So for that, make a sprite naming into label. Then click on your backdrop and then swipe this label costume right across to your label. Yeah, like that. Now you can delete this. Okay, and click on your label, go to your costume. Now first delete this costume. For that, getting only the label one. So okay, Now we can use, without using this color sensing block, we can replace it with only a touching block. So if we are sorry, wait, okay, if we are touching the label, then it will work, and or if we touching this. Okay, now let's give it a test. Yeah, see, yeah, celebration, it's working. Yeah, like that. Okay, once time I want to design a thing in here. Wait, let's somehow more, yeah, just a little one, yeah, like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, you can make your lip mine also. Okay, and let's code this. And when green flag is clicked, go to X and Y 0 0, this position right also. After that, for a good measure, go to back layer. Okay, let's give it a quick test. It is working same again. Yeah, it is working, and it is more combining faster than the first. Okay, okay, now the find your colors. Okay. Wait. Okay, so now click on your clear sprite, and okay, this is the way I want to proceed with the collision detection in this platformer. As we continue to enhance this project, as we will have more colors and more sprites to collide with, like the moving platforms and the spikes, etc., and many other sprites in present that I will show in the later episodes. So for that, let's create a new custom block and name this check, sorry, take touching solid has ground. Okay, and makes your run video screen refresh. Okay, click on OK. Now position it awesome. Yeah, that's yeah. Okay, so here, so using an if else. Okay, first let's make it in a clean to be in here. Yeah, now clean up. Okay, by taking an if else block, if checking that, if we are touching the label, then okay, for that, oh, let's create a new variable naming into touching for this sprite only. For that, set our touching. If we are touching label, then set touching to 1, else set our touching to 0. Okay, now let's drag out this touching color label because we don't want now. By replacing this, take an greater than, check that if touching is greater than 1, then it will dash same for that. Okay, now let's see it's working or not. Oh, wait, so okay, some problem right there. Okay, sorry, if the touching is greater than 0, not 1. Okay, that's my mistake. Now let's test. Why it's not working? Let's see. Oh, that's not working because okay, and make this check touching color before it is touching is greater than 0, and also here like same. Okay, let's now say, yeah, now it's working. Yeah, see, it's working as same as. Okay, okay, adding some more scenes in our label. So first let's delete it away. Okay, now for that, let's organize our code somehow. So find your, when the green flag is clicked, and drag this all from a forever loop, and this we will broadcast a message. We'll name this tick, wait, tick layer. I use tick because it reminds me as the ticking of the every minute or seconds, and this is the Grippet edition, so thanks to him for making this variable name. Okay, click on OK. Then when I receive tick layer, then it will work. Okay, let's test once time. Is working? Yeah, it's working. After that also, mm, for now drag this up and down movement. Yeah, yes. For that, make a new block naming into up down controls. See? Yeah, up down controls and run without screen refresh, and then place it here like and sorry, not with it, and then like this. And also for our like for our left and right movement, so like that only, make a custom naming into right left movement and run without screen refresh, and place it here, and also place the right hand movement in when I receive tick. Now we can move these moving steps to again to be in here. Okay, let's make in a free space like here, then clean up. Okay, okay, yeah, also we have to change it to by in this up and down. So let's give it a test that it is working as same. Yes, it's working as same, and normally it's working, it's looking also like a platformer now. But we have to also make some variations. So wait, this is sorry, this is okay. Okay, I'm thinking that without setting to 0.8, let's make a variable naming into vixen for all sprites. So in this, set our vixen to 0.8, and without setting it 0.8, simply vixen once, and let's hide this all variable reporters. Okay, this test. Let us test because sometimes it's not work, so that we can understand what's the problem. Okay, okay, okay. Let's organize this code. First clean up. Let's organize it and make this as here. And without this, we need a new custom block for that. Naming into reset, reset, and begin script. And begin script, sorry, begin label. Okay, you can write script also, anything you name. And today we don't have, and today and don't make mistake, because this will not run with the screen refresh. Okay, so click on okay, then place it here. After that, also place this that our reset and begin script to here. And for that, let's make it in the upper, because it is a wider screen. Okay. Okay, now let's hide this forever loop from here, and make a new let's also broadcast a message. Broadcast, because it will also help to organize our codes more. So for that, this message name will be game loop. Okay, then when I receive game loop, then it will tick the player. That's all. Now click. Now we have made all in here. Okay, and also be a good coders, and also set in the here, also set our touching to 99. Now click on okay. Okay, so that we can't jump when it starts. Okay, now let's create our labels. Click on your label sprite, go to your costume tab, then duplicate this, and now we need our label for this vertical. So let's flip this. Oh, what do you see? It is not flipped correctly. S because the scratch move it with a sprite middle point, not this middle point. Okay, so to fix that I have a trick. For this, let's zoom out as we can okay, and make a long square in the canvas also. Then make sure that it will be in the middle, snap it into the middle and select this all. See, we can now click on this flip. See, we have successfully flipped. Now unselect all and delete this square. Yes, okay. Mm, because I have not bigger this also some sort of okay, that's okay. So, yeah, it's working. Okay, and for making our labels as mine, for that let's make your label same and name will be must be same as mine because it will not work. Name it as scene 1 and just like this scene 2, not with no gap. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this will be now. Okay, okay, then click on your code tab and when I receive, let's make a new message naming into change scene scenes. Then click on ok. Okay, after that we have to switch a costume, not to switch to. For that we need a join our scene with our, oh, we have not made that variable. We also not in this banana. So for that make a new variable naming into scene with an hash that will be our number. So the join scene with a scene hash. So for testing, let's if we set our scene to 2. Now if we click this, click see, it's working. And if you want 1, okay, it's like click and then see, yeah, means it's working. That's all. So making this like click on your player tab and find your reset and begin script. Wait, I think let's set this touching to here. That is okay. And also this speedx to also be, that will be clean up. So find your define reset and begin script. After that, set this scene to 1 first. Then after that we have to broadcast it also. Then after that again broadcast before the game loop change scene. Okay. Now find this when I receive game loop this. Then here we will broadcast another message naming into named it at tick last. Okay, click on ok. I am using tick last because first is we are ticking our player, then at last we are ticking this. Okay, okay, then when I receive tick last, then if let's say if x position is greater than, if our x position is greater than 235, then let's change our scene by 1 and also broadcast change scene. Okay, now let's give it a test. If we oh sorry, wait, for this x position is now 245. Okay, okay, then make it 248. Okay, that's the look. Make sure. Why it's not working? Okay, now I have found a problem that I have set it by, we have to change the variable by 1. Okay, now I can click, let's see. Yeah, but if you see it is getting changed and it is not getting right place to be here. So for fixing that, let's first set our doing that, then set our x to what do you say, -2 235. I think okay. Okay, yeah, but we are getting stuck. See, there's some problem. Okay, getting stuck. Okay, not minus 235, minus 555. I think this will be correct. Oh, no. Minus 225. Minus 225 will be okay. No, it's getting stuck. 225, not 15. 15 is okay. 15 is okay. Okay, some problems are there, so I have an idea to make a custom naming into begin scene has is a numeric input scene, then go to x with a numeric input x and not run with a screen refresh, then put it all this, put it to here and here, like, and here let's set the begin script like this. Okay, so I will not only put this on there, so that's my problem. So if the x position is seen by a plus operator, it will be our first in the first scene plus 1, then go to dash v1 means minus 215. Yeah, that is okay. Okay, now let's see, it's working as same on. Okay, also change this scene by 1 and x to 2, like, let's see. Oh, wait, it's not working. Because we have changed, we have to simply set it. Okay, set this variable. Now let's see. Yeah, it's working now. That's good. Okay, then for that also duplicate this and see, like it's plus 1 I have seen. You have to do simply a minus 1 and go to 205. Now it will work, I hope so. Oh no, it's not working. Okay, it is not working because I have reload my page and it's working now. You could see, and click this and yeah. Now see if it is gotten stuck. So as because if let's I make this moving to some more thing like that for checking some present. So if I got back to this, if I make one pixel like here, then see there is no problem in going to right. If we left getting stuck, that's the problem. Okay, so further we have to fix that. Further for fixing that, click on your flash sprite, then go to controls, and here let's stop other sprite in here. This is because so that we can check our collisions. Yeah, see, we have checked this collision out to over here. There's some problem. Okay, after that we will wait for 0 seconds, and then so that it's working, we'll again broadcast game loop so that it will work again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but getting stuck, that's problem. That will make a problem. For fixing that, let's create a new custom block naming into fix collisions in directions in dir and make to dir. Then here will be to run video screen refresh. Okay, then click on OK. After that fix this, not this, fix collision in dir like here. Then let's code this to be in here. Okay, so here let's just to 0 means the up and down, and dir and 90 means the left and right. Okay, that you have to remember that. After that, okay, let's first this, then we will this. Okay, after that, for then make a new variable naming into temp for this sprite only. Temp. Okay, we're making a temp in here. Yeah, let's set our temp. With our temp, yeah, to our directions. Okay, so wait. Okay, then after that point in direction to our temp to this, and also make a new variable naming into this temps for this sprite only. Then set our distance by to 1. Then after that wait, then duplicate this like, and then point in direction to our dir. Then let's repeat it by 300 times. 200 or 300, you can do anything. I will do 300 because it is a good message somehow for mine. Then we will first check if it touching the ground as solid. Then if touching is less than, if the touching is less than 1, then point in direction to our temp. Then after this simply stop this script, and if it is not, then move to our distance variable means 1, then turn by 180 degrees. Then after that change our okay, sorry, not 190 degree, 180 degrees. And for making good measures, checking a collision, make this somewhere like here, like there. Now let's check our collision detection. Let's see if it's getting star. Yeah, and we also can collide for making a simple way to understand. So if it is being here, then if we click, yeah, see, and if it's like to be here, yeah, means it's checking that. Yeah, that's good, that's really good. So this is only for this episode. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you are new, then please subscribe and on the bell icon to be notified our YouTube videos. Then wait for my next episode 3 of this. So until bye.